Finance is the art and science of money. It's important for everyone. It's really a basic life skill, whether it be planning for education, investing, or even just budgeting.
In high school, I was always interested in the math sciences, but behavioral science also interested me quite a bit. The capital markets seem to offer that in every single way, so I just really enjoy the stock market, and fixed income has also really intrigued me.
When I learned about finance, it felt very personable and it felt very fun and vibrant, and I get the best of both worlds of accounting while also having the human interactions.
It's an exciting time to study finance at NDSU because we're working to even further strengthen our connection to industry. We have curricular elements that teach all of these things to the students in multiple disciplines, whether they want to work in Main Street or Wall Street. But we also make sure that we add on these extracurricular components for students that really want to dig deeper and make those stronger connections to industry.
Specifically, the Bison Fund was probably a big draw for me. We manage 4 separate accounts, which accrues to about $3 million that we students manage. So it's a really great hands-on experience because we do in-house research, which we then apply to our stock picking, which gets turned into our portfolio.
There is a very vibrant business community in Berry Hall. You really get to know the students around you, you get to know your teachers and your faculty very well. I think it's really unique that our business school is located in downtown Fargo, where all the business is happening.
Why should you choose NDSU? Because it's located in a community where you can choose to stay, thrive, build a career and build a family, or move anywhere in the world and be competitive.
NDSU is special for the way that it has set me up for success, through the way that the student experiences are super hands-on and the way that faculty is super interactive with the students.
I felt very confident that finance was the right major for me and that NDSU offered the best program for me.